Global warming is having a significant impact on Earth's environment and climate. The planet is warming at an unprecedented rate. And this is causing a wide range of changes, including rising sea levels as the planet warms. Glaciers and ice sheets are melting, causing sea levels to rise. This is inundating coastal communities and ecosystems. And it is also increasing the risk of flooding and storm surges, more extreme weather events. Global warming is making extreme weather events, such as heat waves, droughts, floods, and storms, more frequent and more intense. These events can cause widespread damage and loss of life. Changes in plant and animal life. Global warming is causing changes in plant and animal life all over the world. Some species are migrating to new areas in search of cooler temperatures, while others are struggling to adapt to the changing climate. Ocean acidification. As the oceans absorb more carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, they are becoming more acidic. This is making it more difficult for marine life to survive and reproduce. These are just a few of the ways in which global warming is affecting Earth. The impacts of climate change are already being felt around the world, and they are only expected to become more severe in the future. Here are some specific examples of how global warming is affecting Earth. In the Arctic, sea ice is melting at an alarming rate. This is opening up new shipping routes and oil and gas exploration opportunities. But it is also disrupting the Arctic ecosystem and threatening the livelihoods of indigenous peoples. In the Amazon rainforest, deforestation and climate change are combining to create a vicious cycle. Deforestation releases carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, which contributes to global warming. Global warming, in turn, dries out the rainforest, making it more vulnerable to deforestation. In coastal regions around the world, sea levels are rising and flooding is becoming more common. This is displacing people and destroying homes and businesses. Extreme weather events, such as heat waves, droughts, floods, and storms, are becoming more frequent and more intense. These events can cause widespread damage and loss of life. The impacts of global warming are already being felt around the world, and they are only expected to become more severe in the future. It is important to take action to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and mitigate the effects of climate change. Here are some things that we can do to address global warming. Reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. We can do this by switching to renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind power, and by improving energy efficiency. Protect forests. Forests absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, so it is important to protect and restore forests. Make changes to our lifestyles. We can reduce our carbon footprint by making changes to our diets, transportation choices, and consumption habits. Global warming is a serious problem, but it is not too late to take action. By working together, we can reduce greenhouse gas emissions and mitigate the effects of climate change.